These are the digital methods, so if you want to do this on an iPad or a tablet. First thing we're going to do is put it in present mode. Up here at the top are some tools, undo arrow, redo arrow, and then we have the present mode arrow. So I'm going to touch that present mode arrow and it says present on this device. That's going to make it full screen. And if I'm already on the right slide, I can just wait for that bar to go away and do my first screenshot. And I don't want it to turn. I want it to use the full screen going this direction. To take my screenshot, I'm going to click my home button and my power button at the same time. And I'll get a screenshot. I can just swipe that off to the side. Touch to get to the next slide. Take my screenshot. And now I have both of those in my camera roll. I can pinch to get out of present mode, or I can click to the end. Oh, I thought I could pinch. I'll just click to the end and I can push my X. Now I'm out of present mode. So we're going to go to photos next, and you can see right here I have my screenshots that I did. So if I want to work on these in photos, I can do that. So I can click edit, the three dots at the top, and markup. And then I have some tools I can use. I have a marker tool. I can change the thickness. I have a highlighter tool. I can change the thickness. You have thickness up here, and you also have the opacity, how thick or thin the color is that you can change. And then you have the pencil tool and the eraser tool. And then you have the standard colors and then the color picker, so you can pick all kinds of colors. So you can color it in, you can put your name on the buy, and cartoon yourself right here inside of the first O of school. So I'm going to click done and show you if you want to actually put this into sketches. Instead of using the markup tools, you can do that too. So if I open sketches, they've got a new little intro. I'm going to push the plus sign to start a new piece of paper. The three dots at the top, and I'm going to download a picture from my photos, and I'm going to go find my recent photos, and I'm going to add it in. Down here at the bottom, you can see there's a resize, an X, or a check. If I like what I want, I can push the check mark. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller because I know that seeing all of the tools around the outside is really helpful. Push my check mark, and then I can use any of those tools to do all of my artwork right here in sketches. I hope you have fun with it and that it makes a really cool memory for you, and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.